Are you trying to connect your desktop computer to an HDMI monitor, but your PC only has a VGA output? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up using a VGA to HDMI adapter. This is the solution VGA to HDMI adapter with audio transfer also. First, let's take a look at the adapter. Inside the package, you'll find a VGA to HDMI converter, a USB power cable and an audio cable if your adapter supports audio transmission. Now connect 3mm audio jack and power micro USB jack with HDMI converter. Now connect the VGA cable from your desktop computer to the VGA input on the adapter. Make sure the screws are tightened so the connection stays secure. Next, plug an HDMI cable into the adapter and connect the other end to your monitor or TV. This will carry the video signal from your computer to the display. Now connect HDMI power USB with CPU USB and connect 3mm audio jack with PC audio. Power on CPU. It takes some seconds to connect with HDMI monitor. After that, it displays everything perfectly. If you want, you can connect your laptop's VGA to any HDMI TV or monitor. That's it, your desktop should now be displaying perfectly through the HDMI connection. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.